with the head tilted down.
Hmm?
Sit
With the
with the
head
head tilted down.
tilted down or tilted up.
Ma'am,
Yes? Tilted down or
Tilted
tilted up?
up.
tilted down.
Tilted up.
Ma'am, tilted
Tilted
down.
up. Which of these is an example? Yes, anyone else? What is the answer to the question? In case of nosebleed, the person should sit with head tilted down or tilted up.
Tilted up.
Til- Tilted up or tilted down? Nayani Sakina?
Tilted up. Ma'am,
Tilted
sit
up.
with the
Huh?
head tilted up.
Hmm. Which of these is an example of chemical change? The next. Which of these is an example of chemical change? Options are tearing of paper, melting of glaciers, ripening of fruit, breaking of glass. Yes, Miza, Nayani Sakina, Nida Rajani, Pathan Zahra, Rafiq Bordiwala,
Ma'am, can you please repeat the option?
tearing of paper, melting of glaciers, ripening of fruit, breaking of glass.
Melting of glaciers.
Melting of glaciers is the wrong answer.
Ma'am, can I say? Mr.
Can
Fatima.
I say Maria?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I say?
Maria, say beta. Yes, Maria.
Repair, ripening of fruit. Ripening of fruit.
Huh? Ripening of fruit is the right answer. Very good. Heating of a substance causes it to become smaller. To become smaller is the first option. Stay the same is the second option. And contract or expand. Yes, Rajani Sakina, Safi, Shitadar, Saima, Hashmani, Sakina, Sheikh
Ma'am,
Anisha.
repeat the option.
Options are when you heat a substance, it becomes smaller, stay the same, contract, or expands. What happens?
Ma'am, can I
Yes, Nayani Sakina, say beta.
expand?
Yes, expands is the right answer. Okay, now give two examples of matter. Anyone? Can you give two examples of matter?
Ma'am, can I body wala
Ma'am, can
Maria?
I Fatima Bahajat?
Can
Yes, Rajani Sakina, answer the
I? Ma'am,
question.
can I?
Rajani Sakina, Saima. Yes, Saima, answer the question.
Solid and liquid.
Very good. Miscible liquids. Give two examples of miscible liquids. Zainab, Alwani.
Ma'am, can I? Saima.
Yes, Saima. Yes, Saima, answer the question.
Lemon juice
Huh?
and water.
Name. Huh? Repeat, beta. I didn't get.
Lemon juice and water.
Huh? And the next, and one more. One more solubles. Miscible liquid now. One more example of a miscible liquid.
Water.
Water and lemon juice are miscible. One more example of anything you know. Solid and liquid.
Milk.
Yes, Rafiq.
Milk.
Milk and water. Okay. Solids, solids that dissolve in water. Give two examples of solid that dissolve in water.
Ma'am, can I sign up?
Ma'am, can I say?
Sugar, salt.
Sugar and
मैम
salt,
मैंने
right.
केचुआ लिखा था मैं
बोले दिले.
Okay. Give one word for. Yes, Fatima. Give one word for. Any substance that has mass and occupies space is called
Matter.
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 मैटर मैटर
ये matter.
Yes, Rajani Sakina.
Matter.
Rajani
Ma'am,
Sakina.
ma'am,
Matter. Very good. Yes, right. Yes. Yes, Nisha, you want to say something?
no, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Give one. Yes. Raj, changing of liquid into gaseous form.
Evaporation.
Can I say? Evaporation. Ma'am,
Evaporation.
evaporation.
Evaporation is the right answer. So the objectives we have already done. Okay. Okay. So now I will ask the random questions. What is steam? A liquid form of water, solid or vapor? What is vapor? A liquid form or a
Ma'am,
solid
can I?
or gaseous form? Yes, Saima?
can I
Gases form.
केचुआ लिखा था
Yes,
Ma'am, can I Fatima?
Gases form.
gaseous form of water. Which is the solid form of water?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Saima.
Ice. Ice.
Ice is the solid form of water. Okay, what do you do when you get a snake bite?
what you can repeat the question
What do you do when you get a snake bite? What measures should you take when you get a snake bite?
Ma'am, can I check?
Yes, yes, say beta.
Snake
we
bites.
should go in
Snake bites can be very deadly if not ready properly.
I didn't hear you beta. Say it
Ma'am,
aloud
can I?
again.
Saima.
No, no. Let her finish it
मैम
off.
मैंने
Yes.
केचुआ लिखा था मैं सहरा
Question Fatima. Say beta.
take the person immediately to hospital
No, that is the last thing you have to
can
do.
I say ma'am
What what do you do before that?
can I say
Ma'am, can
Yes,
I?
say beta.
Saima.
Yes, Saima, say
okay
beta.
ma'am
Do not
Sa-
allow any movement of bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading
yeah boy do not allow any
to
movement
the
of
body.
piston arm અથવા leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body અહીંયા જેમ કે બાઇટ કર્યું હોય ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયા તો અહીંયા એવું ટાઈટ બાંધી દેવાનું જેથી કરીને એના મોઢામાંથી ઝેર હોય ને અહીંયા જ હોય એની પછી તરત જ બાંધી દેવાનું જેથી કરીને ઝેર આખા શરીરમાં ફેલાઈ ન જાય જો ફેલાઈ જાય ને તો મરી
who is answering this?
Ma'am, Fatima Zahra Keshwani.
Okay.
can I say answer
Hello.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Atiya. Atiya, answer the question beta. Everyone else mute your mics. Yes,
can
Atiya.
I say Fatima? I am Fatima.
Atiya had was telling. Yes, Atiya, I want you to tell the answer. Okay. Atiya has muted the mic. Who else wants to give the answer? What do you do in case of snake bite?
Ma'am, can I sign
Yes,
up?
Saima. Say beta.
And do not allow any movement of bitten arm or leg in order to keep the venom from spreading through the body.
Okay. Yes. So what happens when what will you do in case of a dog bite? When a dog bites, what do you do? Which is the first thing you do?
We have to we have to wash and uh, we have to wash and cover with the clean bandage
So we have
and
to thoroughly wash that
take
area
the
with a soap to make it disinfectant. And then, yes, Fatima Zera.
person who and the person should uh, take the person to the doctor immediately.
Yes, then take the person to the doctor immediately. What will which disease is caused by dog bite?
Rabies. Rabies.
Yes, rabies. Yes, yes, rabies is caused due to dog bite. Okay. What would you do when there is a serious injury? What do you do when there is a serious injury? Someone is severely injured, has met with an accident. किसी के साथ एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो आप क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I? We
Saima,
have to
you are
give
on.
first aid. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Wha-
You have to
What
give
first?
first aid to the
Yes, Fatima.
person.
Saima, mute your mic, beta. Fatima, yes, Fatima. Fatima. Okay. Okay, Saima, say beta.
We have to give first aid to the person and call the doctor immediately.
What first aid should we give? What is first aid should be given, beta? We should clean the wound.
Wipe, ma'am, can I
Yes, Fatima, say beta.
wipe with the Dettol
Yes, any antiseptic liquid.
and apply sorry and apply antiseptic cream.
Hmm. So, first of all, clean the wound and apply antiseptic and then take the person to the doctor. Anyone having any doubt in the this revision? Hello, I'm talking to you. Anyone having doubt? No, only Fatima has no doubt. Others have doubt, or are you all sleeping?
No,
No,
ma'am. No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Not any.
No doubt, right? So I think everyone will get full marks in science. Hello, because
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you
okay,
are the new
okay.
teacher.
Hello.
You are the science. You are the new teacher of science. Am I right?
Yes, beta. I am the new teacher of science. I think I am taking this lecture
And
since
what is your number?
2 to 3 periods from now.
Your number is last 7 to 14.
Huh?
In your number it is last 7 to 14.
No. I am not taking that. Now listen. Whose books are complete?
My book are
Till
complete.
chapter 4.
My
Okay,
Ma'am, my
raise your hands. I want you all to raise your hand. Don't speak in the mic. Raise your hand whose books are complete.
ma'am.
Very good.
I
Okay, very good. So only 7 people have their books complete. What are you all doing? Why has the others not completed the book?
complete.
Please complete your book before the test. Fatima, don't share your screen. Okay, you are showing me your book complete. Okay, I will
Ma'am,
ask
please
for
give
that.
me, ma'am, I want your number. Let me see my book. Salma, ma'am, I want your
Yes,
number.
yes.
Please give me.
Okay, okay. Till chapter 4 you are complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So all
Ma'am,
of
I
you
want
should
your
keep
number.
your
Okay.
I want all of you to keep your books complete only. Till chapter 4 all books should be completed so that you can revise from that. All the extra questions. Yes, Maria, very good. Your book is also complete. Very good.
Ma'am, please give me your number.
Mr. Fatima.
Hello. Yes,
Ma'am, your
yes.
number
Very
is,
good.
it is in your number 860 or 614.
Fatima, don't what you want to ask, you ask. Don't present this. Okay, you are showing me the work. Very good. Okay. Okay. Till which chapter have you all finished? Till chapter 4?
4, yes.
Very good. Okay, now stop presenting the screen. I know that you all have done. Only 7 people in this group has finished their books.
Yes, ma'am, I want your number.
Who else has done up till three chapters?
I have completed. Ma'am, I have
Three chap.
completed Prani Zainab.
Yes, three
Which one?
chapters are. So only one chapter is read. So please, please, please complete your books, beta. It is very important to complete
My
your books.
chapter 4 is completed. Ma'am, I
Okay.
want your number. Please give me.
My
Huh?
book is complete, Insha Fatima.
I want your number.
And my book is completed. Check on it.
My number is already in the group, beta. You can check it out.
What is the
My
last
name
one?
with the name.
Check.
I don't have your number saved. I don't have your number.
You
What
don't
is
have
the
my
last one?
number?
It is 860
Yes,
or
I don't
Zaveri.
614.
have.
Zaveri is
Ma'am,
Zaveri is my name. Okay.
okay.
Like last.
Okay. So up till two chapters, who has completed up till two chapters? I want more hands to be
Hygiene
raised
and
for two.
capitalism.
Okay.
I have
I want.
completed chapter number 1, 2, and 3, but
My
not
book
4.
is also complete.
Okay. Okay. So when you will complete your books, then you will be easier for you to go through them, through the notes. And then you will not say that I didn't knew only that this was in the chapter. Okay?
Don't have.
Okay. So we'll again resume our revision.
Ma'am, today I will complete my fair book and tomorrow I will show.
I don't have your number.
Okay, beta. Okay. Complete everyone. Complete till chapter
Chapter number
4.
4.
Yes. So we'll do some more revision today.
Ma'am, I can't find your number. Please send that this is my number.
You can't find my number. My number is 740-532-7352.
And wait. 2 minutes. I will write
Please
it.
listen.
मैम फिर से बोलो तो नंबर
740
What मैम 740
532
What? What?
532 7352.
Yes मैम one more time repeat now.
740-532-7352. Okay?
Ma'am, 740
Yes ma'am. The
532
number.
Okay, who
7352.
else who wants the number? You can, I will write in the group. Okay, beta?
Okay ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am which is your number? Wait. मैंने
I will share in the group. I will share in the group. Okay, beta.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Which is you?
चार बॉक्स में लिख दो ना.
This is this is yes.
Yes, Maria. Okay. So we'll again start revising. Uh, what will you do? Who will you call? Ma'am, please write your number in chat box.
Ma'am, I have your number. Then I will send you the study book.
Okay, beta. Thank you.
इनसे पास में
I
पूछना
also
नहीं.
have the
मैम
number.
आपका नंबर चैट बॉक्स में लिख कर भेजो ना.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'll message the number in the
Yes.
group after this lecture.
Yes,
Okay, beta?
okay, ma'am.
I
Okay.
send to you the study book.
So this uh, well, see, right, it is right, beta. Fatima Zara Keshwani, you have written it right.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
will
anyone
send
knows
you.
which?
Ma'am, I will send you chapter number 4 of science.
Yes. Okay, so listen, everyone. Now we are going to revise. Revise the chapter number 3 and 4. Third and fourth chapter. I have already asked you the questions. I'll repeat those questions once again for those who have not understood the questions or not able to answer it.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. In case of a gas leak, all doors and windows should be closed or open?
Open. Open.
Yes, open is the right answer.
I will send to you chapter number 4 also and my name also.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, please send chapter number 4 textbook PDF. I don't have only chapter number 3.
Listen, see, everyone has been given everything. Still, if anyone has the doubt or you can ask, I will send you all whatever you need. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The steam is a dash form of water. Solid, liquid, or gaseous?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, yes.
Okay.
Answer is yes. এটা শুধু বলছে. আরে চ্যাপ্টার 4 কাকে পাঠাবে ইয়ে মেয়েটা?
Yes. Okay. Listening. Are you listening all? Steam
Yes,
is
ma'am.
which form of water?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Solid, liquid, or gaseous?
yes, yes.
Gaseous is the right answer. Yes. Matter cannot or cannot be changed into its
Ma'am,
from one state to another.
matter things in one state to another.
Can be changed. Yes, very good.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll come to the MCQ types. Which of these could cause burns? Fires and hot liquids, friction from clothes, chemicals, all of this.
All of this.
All of this.
All of this.
Okay. Which of these is an example of a chemical change? Okay. Anyone can give me the definition of a chemical change? What is a chemical change? What is a chemical change? Yes? Anyone?
Ma'am, can
What
Saima
is a chemical
Hasnani?
change? Saima, Zainab, Zainab,
Can
Fatima.
a chemical
Who wants
change?
to answer?
A chemical change. Ma'am, can I Saima? Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
answer better.
Saima? A
What is a
chemical
chemical change?
change is a type of
Yes,
change
Saima, answer the
in which
question.
a chemical composition of a substance changes and a new substance is formed.
Yes, which a new substance is formed. Yes, Fatima Zara, repeat. What is the chemical change? Yes, Gabrani Zainab, you all have raised your hand. So answer the question.
Can I say, Kanisha? Can I
Yes,
say
yes, Anisha.
Fatima?
Yes, Anisha, say.
Can I say Insia Fatima? A chemical change is a type of change in which a chemical composition of a substance change a new substance is formed.
Yes, and what is the physical change?
A physical change is a type of change in which only the physical state of the substance changes and no new product is formed.
Yes, only the physical state changes and no new substances are formed. So, what I want to know is give me an example of a physical change. Give me an example of physical change. Saima, Fatima, Kabrani, Zainab. You all have raised your hand.
What will repeat the question? Repeat the question. Ma'am, can I Saima Hasmani?
Yes, Saima Hasmani. Answer the
Ma'am,
question.
repeat
What
the
is the
question.
physical?
Ice cubes taken out of the freezer for some time will change into water. This is
Yes, will
a
change into water and
example of physical
it
change.
can again again be changed into ice. Okay, that is a
Ma'am,
physical change.
repeat the
One,
question.
what is a physical change? Give me one example of a physical change. Yes,
Ma'am, can I
yes,
say
Inshia. Yes, Inshia. Answer the question.
a physical change is a type of changes in which only the physical state of the substance changes and no new product or form.
And example.
Ice cup taken out of the freezer for some time will changes into water. The changes
This is a reversible change.
of the substance. No new substance in a form melting of a butter, breaking of glass, melting of ice, freeze of potato are all example of physical change. Ma'am, can I say Keshwani Fatima?
Yes, Keshwani Fatima. Say.
Yes, ma'am. A physical change is anything that affects one or more physical properties of a changing substance without changing its identity. Example, dissolving sugar, melting ice, sanding a piece of food, cutting hair.
Okay. Okay, those are physical changes. Okay.
Yes. Can I
Okay,
say
what
one?
happens? Yes, I'm asking you a question. Wait a minute. What happens when you heat the substance? Yes,
What,
anyone?
ma'am?
What
What, ma'am?
what
Ma'am, can I
what happens?
Saima?
What happens when you heat the substance? Apart from Saima, anyone else
When
knows
we
that?
do. When you eat the substance, what?
What happens? You hit, HEAT, hit the substance.
It starts melting.
It starts melting. So what happens when it starts melting?
What,
Yes,
ma'am?
Saima. Yes, Saima, answer the
Started
question.
to being liquid.
I want the perfect answer. It expands. When you heat a substance, it expands. Okay? What happens when you cool the substance?
Ma'am,
It
can I
freezes.
Saima?
Maria, don't share the screen. Yes, yes.
It
What
freezes.
happens when you cool the substance? What happens? What happens when you cool the substance?
It is
It's substance
solidification.
or substance?
It hits.
Solidification.
Yes.
It freezes.
Yes, Fatem. It it freezes. What happens when things freeze?
Condensation.
Ma'am, can I Saima?
Yes,
It
Saima.
becomes solid. Condensation.
Contraction.
Contraction
Contraction.
is the right word. Yes, the substance contracts when it is cooled down. Okay. What is melting? Define melting.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
can I say Fatima?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Maria.
Melting.
Yes,
can I
Maria.
say Fatima?
Maria.
Any substance that has mass occupies space is called matter. Ma'am, can I Keshwani Fatima melting water? I
I am
Fatima
asking what is
When
melting?
we melt.
Ma'am, can I Keshwani Fatima?
When the solid
Yes, Keshwani
is
Fatima, answer the question.
Ma'am,
What
can
is
I say
melting?
Keshwani?
What is melting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
changing of a
Yes,
solid
ma'am.
into a
Changing of
liquid
solid
is called
into
as
liquid
melting.
is called melting. Changing of solid into liquid is called melting.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
can I
What is
say Kanisha?
evaporation? What is
Yes,
evaporation?
the water changes
Ma'am, can
into
I say Kanisha?
a liquid into
Yes, Fatima Zehra. Fatima
Ma'am,
Zehra, answer the question.
Ma'am, can
Fatima
I say
Zehra,
body
answer the
wala
question.
Mariam? Okay,
Okay, now
ma'am.
mute. Everyone else mute the line. Only Fatima Zehra will answer the question. Yes, Fatima Zehra. What is evaporation?
Changing
ma'am,
of
can I
a
say
liquid into its
Fatima?
gaseous form.
Shh,
It is
I said mute your
called.
mind. Mike's only Fatima Zahra will say.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Changing of a liquid into a gaseous form. It is called evaporation.
Can I say Keshwani
Okay.
Fatima? Can I
Okay,
say
okay.
Kanisha?
Okay, girls. Okay, girls. We
Keshwani
have done the
Fatima.
revision up till now. Lecture is already,
Keshwani
we are already about time to finish the lecture. Okay? Bye, everyone. Good
Bye,
day.
ma'am. Have a nice day. Ma'am, have
Bye,
a
ma'am.
nice
Thank you. Have a
Bye.
nice
Bye,
day.
everyone. Bye.
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 Great day. Great day,
Good day,
all of
beta.
you.
bye. All
Now it is maths lecture.
next lecture. Keshwani Fatima. Yes. Yes. મને સાયન્સમાં ચેપ્ટર નંબર 4 તે ટેક્સ્ટબુક છે. Yes.
Yes.
મને કે ફાતિમા ઝહરા.
Okay. કોના પીરિયડ છે?
Maths. Maths. Yes, ફાતિમા
Nina
બાજુ
ma'am.
જ મારી પાસે છે.
કેશવાણી ફાતેમા
Yes.
ગ્રામરમાં લેટર લખાવી દીધો છે.
Yes.
તો મને મોકલ છે ને.
Okay.
હા કેશવાણી ફાતેમા
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Yes, what
morning,
is
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Yes,
good
good
morning,
morning.
Zainab, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. Now, today's captain is Bohra Inchia. Is she present, Bohra Inchia?
Vishwani Fatima.
Bohra Inchia. Bohra Inchia.
Chennai
Ma'am,
Bodiwala Madhyam.
Kelania is Nahia.
You have changed your names. I said Bohra Inchia. Bohra.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. But after recording will stop and again it will start, we will start. I was waiting for it only. That someone will stop it and start it again. We are just waiting for 2 or 3 minutes more. If it will not stop, then we will continue. Until you can just check your fair book and you can
मैम
revise and you can ask me doubt if you have. Yes.
मैम ये रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप नहीं होगा क्योंकि जो इंग्लिश मीडियम वाला होता है ना गूगल मीट में वो नहीं है.
Let me check. I didn't check the IDs.
Ma'am, this is the lecture recording.
Means after the first lecture also recording has not stopped. Means nobody has stopped it.
Yes.
No.
Second
Okay,
lecture.
so then let's continue only.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम फर्स्ट लेक्चर खत्म हो गया था ना तब रिकॉर्डिंग भी स्टॉप हो गया था.
अच्छा.
Second lecture.
मैम आपने मुझे तो बताया.
I said, okay, Bohra you have to help me today. You are the captain. Whenever I
ओके.
will say them to write the answer in the chat box or any doubt or something, then you just have to tell me from the chat box.
ओके मैम.
Okay, then let's not wait. We are just starting. And yesterday also, if you have checked, I have sent that practice FBMCQ, whatever was that.
Yes, ma'am.
That PDF also, and that
Yes.
other all the old PDF also, so that you can download it and save it.
I had completed till
So
I
please
have
check that.
completed Sheikh Anisha.
Okay, good.
till M.
हाँ but
मैम
for
मैंने
that
आपको भेज भी दिया है.
yes but for that practice worksheet no, I have given 2 days, so that's why we are not revising that, solving that right now, that practice worksheet.
I had completed till M. I will complete today on full.
Okay. For that practice FB and that I have already given 2 days, so that you all can complete and then we can do. And the answer of this puzzle is like this. This one I had only told you yesterday. Other 5 pairs you can see. And you can even select any other number also. Or you can use the same number 2 times also. I have allowed you yesterday because I'm not making it hard for you. But I guess Saima said that she doesn't use that, right? The same number 2 times.
Excuse me,
She said.
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
I can't solve this puzzle. You did say no. I can watch from recording, but by mistake the recording was deleted. That's why in my phone.
Okay, okay. No problem.
And Saima is not in lecture. She said she's
Okay.
coming in few minutes.
Okay. So in the same question you can see the second challenge is written. So Bohra Inchia, you only first read. This is the second challenge.
Okay, ma'am. Try to find a set of three numbers that add up to make 50. Try to find three different answers.
So in this next challenge, you have to find a set of three numbers. Means you can add that three number and it will add up to 50. Whenever you will add that three number. Understood about this? यहाँ पे 2 नंबर लिए थे, यहाँ पे 3 नंबर. In that second challenge. And not 6 pairs, but only 3 pairs. Means 3 different sets.
Okay, ma'am.
And as I said, no, for this practice worksheet, I'm giving 2 days, it means one more day. So maybe we will solve next time together of chapter 3 and 4. But you have to send answer to me before today 5 o'clock, okay? So that I can check.
Okay, ma'am.
I guess many of the girls have already sent, but then also those who are left.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
bolo.
अभी जो आपने मुझे पजल दी थी एक बार फिर से दिखाना ना.
Yes.
ओके, मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना था.
Now shall I change?
यस मैम.
Okay. And how many of you have tried this? These 4?
मैम इनसे
आई नो
बहरा
फातिमा बाहर.
मैम मीन से कनीशा.
Okay. So let's first solve this. So you can write your name in the chat box. Then she will tell me one name. That student will tell me the answer right or wrong and why. Only right and wrong, okay? So Insha, tell me the first name.
यस भोजान इनसे फातिमा.
Bojan Insha, you tell me about 79. Is divisible by 4 or not? Means whenever you will divide, you will come to know. Okay, you will get remainder 0 or not. So next name,
मैम वकील नाहिया.
Nahia, do you know?
नेक्स्ट नेम फातिमा बजाज.
Bajaj Fatima, do you know
यस मैम.
79 is divisible by 4 or not? 79.
नो इट्स नॉट.
Next name, okay, say the answer together only.
मैम पहले
Next in 98, 98,
98 is not divisible by
Not.
4.
No, ma'am. Not divisible by
65,
95 is not divisible by 4.
65,
Cross. Not divisible by 4.
60,
60 is divisible by 4.
120,
No, ma'am. 120 is also divisible by 4.
120. हाँ.
313 is not divisible by 4.
Is not divisible. 330.
and 504,
504 is divisible.
and 600.
600 is divisible by 4.
Divisible by 4.
Now we will see the next, which is divisible by 5. So it's very easy, even if you will see now this one. And whose mic is unmuted? I guess because of that mic. So now we will use this key, this rule for number 5. And you all remember, no? Divisible by 2, 3, 4, that rules.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 4 we have done. Means to know okay, it's divisible by 2 or not, we just have to see even and odd number. Then divisible by 3. For divisible by 3, you have to just add all the digits, and then that total what you will get, that you have to divide by 3. Now the next is divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So now here what is the rule? You have to take last two digits, और यहाँ पे लास्ट टू डिजिट क्या है 12,456 में?
50.
लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या है 12,456 उसमें? हाँ 56. तो उसको 4 से डिवाइड करना है, एंड इफ यू विल गेट रिमाइंडर देन इट्स नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 4, एंड इफ यू विल गेट 0 रिमाइंडर देन
It is
means it's
divisible by
divisible by 4. Exactly.
And last number is
This way you can divide. I guess division that you remember still how to divide anything, because that we have finished before this only in 3C, exercise 3C.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
I remember.
divisibility rule for 5.
150.
Next name Inchia for reading.
Okay, ma'am. Next name is Saima Junaid Hasmani.
Saima, read the heading also, this one and then this one.
okay, ma'am. Rules of divisibility. Divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in each one place.
So what is the key to know that that number is divisible by 5 or not? So you have to check last digit, means which is at ones place. If you remember ones place, tens place, hundreds place, if you will see any number from right side the first place or from left side last digit, मतलब right side से देखो तो पहला digit, and if you will see from left side then last digit, means that is ones place. तो कोई भी नंबर में ones की place पे जो भी digit हो, that you have to check whether it has 5.
समझ में नहीं आया.
Let we are just starting. It will be given some example, then you have to check that place. हम कैसे उसमें odd and even check करने के लिए last digit check करते थे कि 0 2 4 6 8 है कि नहीं.
Yes.
The same way you have to check that digit कि वो 0 5 है कि नहीं. 0 और 5 हो तो मतलब कि divisible by 5. Example will be given to you and then you will understand. Okay. So this is the number, and what they said, which place you have to check, which digit, which place?
0 and
Last
5.
digit.
Last digit from left side. लेफ्ट साइड से देखो तो लास्ट डिजिट कौन सा है ये नंबर में 4, राइट? दैट इज द लास्ट डिजिट, एंड दैट इज विच प्लेस बाय द वे?
Ones place.
Ones place, right?
Ones.
Yes. So that place means at one's place which digit is there, that you have to check. So here which digit is there at one's place? कौन सा नंबर है, कौन सा डिजिट है? 4.
Number.
4.
Number is 4.
But it should, and whose mic is there? Please mute the mic. But it should be what, so that it will be divisible by 5. क्या होना चाहिए तो divisible by 5 है? 0 या फिर 5?
5.
0 और 5 होना चाहिए, but ये तो 4 है, right? It means it's not divisible by 5. Understood? This digit you have to check whether it is 0 or 5, then it's divisible, otherwise it's not divisible. Not.
Okay.
Other girls, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now this is the number. Okay, now write your answer in the chat box whether it's divisible by 5 or not. Then Bohrainchia, just count. Bohrainchia, in the chat box, how many girls have written which answer? What are their
Yes.
answers?
ভালো এখানে তো জায়গাই হচ্ছে না করে লিখবো এখানে কিরম করে লিখবো
কিন্তু এত বড় এখানে সব লাইন বাদ
अरे
দে।
whose mic is that?
এখানে আমি এক গাদা লিখা ফেলেছি।
अरे whose mic it is?
Mandal Maria.
মন্ডল মারি।
Maria, please mute your mic whenever you are talking with your mother. You don't check, huh? So many girls never check before talking with anyone. So Insha Bohra, you please check now. How many girls have written what, which answer?
Eight girls.
Okay. 8 girls have written. Okay. So here again you have to check that last digit, which is 5. So as it is 5, it is divisible by 5. Now again you have to check this one. Okay, here which is the last digit? That. This one we will see next time. 6. Let's first solve the exercise. So now divisible by 5. This one. So now just write the number in the chat box which you are thinking that it's divisible by 5. इसमें से.
मैम બધા
हाँ
ડબલ
बोलो.
ડબલ વાર લખે છે તો કાઉન્ટિંગ માં પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે.
अरे भाई एक ही बार लिखो. एक ही बार लिखो बेटा. This is the question. Divisible. This is the. अरे यार, whose mic is that? This is the question divisible by 5 and here these numbers are given. अब ये नंबर में से कौन सा 5 से डिवाइड होता है कौन सा नहीं, that you have to write in the chat box. जो डिवाइड होते हैं ना वही, which is divisible by 5. If you are thinking 51 is divisible, okay, very good, Mariam. Very fast, good. So from this number, if you are thinking okay, 51 is divisible by 5, then write 51. And then like yesterday, I will yesterday also I have given put the names now. I have given the names to ma'am also. Okay, these girls were active in the class, and I have put the same message in the group also. Means I have given the name to ma'am first, and then I have put the message. So today also I will check the chat box. Okay, how many girls are giving answer, and that many names I will. First I will show to ma'am, then I will put the message. Same like yesterday.
I
Yesterday
have
also,
written.
हाँ ऐसे, हाँ. Okay, Bohrainchi, tell me one name from chat box. Those who have given the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Zainab man.
Yes.
Fatima Zehra Keshwani.
I was writing 300, but my mistake I written 500.
Okay, no problem.
मैम सब कॉपी कर रहे हैं, उसने उसने 500 लिखा है तो सबने 500 ही लिखा है.
Subne it means who are copying.
मीन्स नायानी सकीना और फातिमा ज़ेरा केशवानी, मिर्जा, इंशा फातिमा, पठान, चेक नहीं, ये क्या?
When I will take the screenshot, I will come to know
मेरा भी हो गया.
okay, who have copied and not. Okay, so don't worry.
सबने अलग अलग लिखा है, सबने अलग अलग आंसर लिखे
I'm
हैं।
going to take screenshot. I said yesterday also. At last, I checked the chat box and I just took the screenshot. Today also, I will do the same. Tell
मैम
me the
मेरा
first
भी
name.
500 हो गया है गलती से.
Okay, no problem. बोल इंशिया बोरा please say first name.
ओके. फातिमा ज़ेरा.
Yes, Keshwani Fatima Zara, what do you think? 51 is divisible by 5 or not? What we have to check? Which digit we have to check?
मैम वो अभी ज्वाइंट हुई।
Next name.
मीजा।
Misa, do you know 51 is divisible by 5 or not?
मरियम बोडी वाला।
Mariam, you
Yes.
say the answer.
51 is not divisible by 5.
Then 75.
75 is divisible by 5 because 37 is
Last
not.
last digit is 5, right? That's why.
Yes.
Then in 37 you can see last digit is 7, not 0 and 5. So it's not divisible by 5. Then next is 190.
190 is divisible by 5 and 300 is divisible by
Okay.
5.
You just have to check last digit whether it's 0 and 5 or not. Now we will do this, but this we will not solve right now. You have to do in homework because I guess now you understood. Or still you have doubt, then please ask me so that I can explain. Or shall I revise only? See, I'm saying it again. Just that key. So the key is that you have to check that last digit, like whichever number is given. You can see 79 is given, 98 is given. So in that, what is the last digit? No, that you have to check. This number, this. तो अगर वो जीरो हो और फाइव हो, जीरो हो या तो फाइव हो, तो मतलब के राइट आएगा, फाइव से डिविजिबल है. And if not 0 and not 5, then cross, not divisible by 5. So any doubt in this?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am.
No मैम।
Okay.
नो मैम। नो।
Okay.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow's puzzle I have done Simon.
Even I said to all the girls also, when I showed the answer, no. So I said okay, she has not used the same number two time or more than that.
I
बोलो.
also done puzzle.
हाँ हाँ. And even Saima, today's puzzle also I have shown in the starting only with the answer. So you can watch the video afterward to check that. Now next is next rule, divisibility rule for 6. So next name Bohra Inchia for reading.
यस मैम। फातिमा बहादुर।
Bajaj Fatima, read this.
Okay, ma'am. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, then is divisible by 6 as well.
हाँ, तो कोई भी नंबर को चेक करना हो कि भाई इट्स डिविजिबल बाय 6 और नॉट, then you have to check it two time. Means first you check that it's divisible by 2 or not, then you check it's divisible by 3 or not. अगर 2 और
यस।
3 दोनों से डिवाइड होता हो, मतलब कि वो 6 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है. और 2 और 3 से कैसे चेक करेंगे 2 से डिवाइड होता है कि नहीं, 3 से होता है कि नहीं? व्हाट इज द की? आई हैव
2
एक्सप्लेन
में
इट.
अगर अगर इवन नंबर हो तो 2 से डिवाइड होता है.
हाँ,
यस.
और अगर ऑड नंबर हो
और
तो
3 में हम
नेगेटिव
प्लस
होता है.
करें, जो नंबर का क्वेश्चन हो वो हम प्लस करें 3 में, और वो अगर वो डिवाइड होता है तो वो 3 से डिविजिबल
Yes,
है.
exactly. So she also said, and I'm also saying it again, that if the number is even number, even odd, I guess you remember. Even means last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if it's even number, it's divisible by 2. That is for the rule for the divisibility rule for 2. Now I'm saying divisibility rule for number 3. 3 के लिए. So what is the rule? You have to add all the digit, 3 digit number ho, 4 digit number ho, 5 digit number ho. You have to add all the digit. After adding, you will get a total. Then whatever you will get no total, that you have to divide by 3. And if you will divide and you will get 0 remainder, then means it's divisible by 3. ये दो रूल हमने कर लिए ऑलरेडी. So that you have to check for this divisibility rule for 6. See, again the same thing they are saying. Okay, so just revise those who forgot. I guess you all remember because these two were very easy when I have explained.
and we have solved it also. So just revise divisibility rule for 2, that it should be even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 should be the last digit. And divisibility rule for number 3 is that when you will add all the digits of that number, so the sum should be divided by 3, means there should be no remainder. कर लिया सबने रिवाइज
Yes, ma'am.
divisibility rule
Yes,
for 2
ma'am.
and 3? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose this is the question. अब इसको हमें चेक करना है कि वो डिविजिबल बाय 6 है कि नहीं है 6, तो उसके लिए पहले डिविजिबल बाय 2 भी होना चाहिए और
We
3
have
भी
to
होना
see
चाहिए.
that.
Yes, Saima. First you say divisible by 2 है कि नहीं, and how?
Yes, ma'am. Because the 4 is even number.
And I'm writing in short, divisible by 2. Whose mic is that? Whose mic is that?
Sakina's mic is on.
Fatima
Fatima Baja.
जिसका भी mic है, please mute the mic.
Bhajan.
Why are you forgetting today to mute the mic?
Ma'am,
Mute.
my mic is on. Sakina's mic is on. My mic is
And
off.
Fatima mic is on.
You is saying wrong.
अरे जिसका भी mic हो, please mute. Okay. So we have to see both. अरे
Your mic is not muted.
अरे whoever's mic is this, will you please mute it?
Now it's muted. Abbas, mic. Kathy's mic is on. Now it's off.
बाप रे.
Ma'am, can I say?
So to नहीं नहीं, first I am only explaining. To see that it's divisible by 6 or not, we have to first see that it's divisible by 2 or not. So first body wala Mariam will say divisible by 2, Saima will say divisible by 3.
6 is divisible by
Means
7,000.
this number, that divisible by 2 or not. 6 you don't say, that I will say. Right now just say divisible by 2 or not.
Be- um, 7,264 is divisible by 2 because last digit is even number.
It's even number and last digit is 4, so it's divisible by 2. So yes. Now Saima will check that it's divisible by 3, yes or no, that way.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have to do? We have to add all the digits, right?
Yes.
So tell me the sum of this.
21.
Okay. And other girls, what is your answer? You got the same?
Answer is 21.
Yes. So 21. Now Saima, tell me 21 is divisible by 3. The total which we got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It means the
It is
number is also
divisible.
divisible by 3. So in both we got yes, no, indivisible by 2 and divisible by 3. It means it divisible by 6 also. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, it's even number, that's why it's divisible by 2. अरे अब ये किसका माइक है? Yeah, disturbing me. Those girls who are not taking care of the mic, whoever. पहले भी बहुत सारे बार ऐसा हुआ है. Okay, so what Mariam said, no, the same thing is written. Okay, as it's even number, it's divisible by 2. Now we have to check that it's divisible by 3 or not, right? So now this side we will check that the same way. How Saima said, no, the total is 21 and 21 is divisible by 3 because 3 sevens is 21. Understood this, both the thing? Before checking that it's divisible by 6 or not, we have to check both. It's divisible by 2 or not, or it's divisible by 3 or not. If in both the case you will get yes, then it's divisible by 6. Understood?
Yes. Ma'am, in the exercise, exercise 4A, the divisible by 6 I had done of 5 also, and I had sent the in chat box means in
Okay.
first, so
Okay.
it is not divisible, and now I had 6
Okay.
also I am
Okay.
sending.
Okay. Now, any doubt in this, any girl? How to check that whether it's divisible by 6 or not? Because here, divisible by 2 and 3, that you already know. Only using this you have to check.
No.
See, in both the way, right? Okay, now check this one.
Ma'am, can I see the answer of this one? Can I
नहीं
solve
नहीं
this?
नहीं 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 नहीं. You can write your answer in chat box. It's divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Yes or no? Write full, huh? Divisible by 2, yes or no, and divisible by 3, yes or no,
Okay.
in the chat box. Then Inshia, just after 2 minutes, I'm giving 2 minute time. After 2 minutes, you just tell me what they have written and how many girls have written. I guess you have done. So Inshia, just check now the chat box.
मैम मरियम मोदी वाला Saima and Isakina. And
Okay. Why your voice is
divisible.
breaking? Bohrain, your voice is, I don't know, breaking. Mariam, you just tell me now what everyone has written.
Me
Mariam, are
and
you saying?
Saima
हाँ.
have written no, and others written yes.
Okay. So let's first see that it's divisible by 2. So you can say together, it's divisible by 2, yes or no?
Yes, it's divisible
Yes.
by
And why? What is the reason?
because the 8 is even number.
Yes, so this is the reason. Now divisible by 3. So 1 plus
No,
4
divisible.
plus
No,
3 plus
Plus
4
4 plus
is equal to
plus
20. 8, so it's not divisible by
because
1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4
3.
plus 8 is equal to 20.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Yes, I had written yes. Means
Okay.
in 2 I had written yes, and in 3 I had written no.
Okay. So divisible by 2, yes, because it's even number. Divisible by 3, so no. Why? Because you can see the total of all the digits, which is 20, and 20 is not divisible by 3. I guess everyone remember, right? Table of 3. Then also revise. So the same way it's written divisible by 2, so yes, as it's even number. Divisible by 3, so you can see the total is 20. And whenever you will divide, so you will get remainder, right? So the answer is wrong, means no, it's not divisible by 3. So h is just divisible by 2 and not by 3, the answer is not. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि एक में यस एक में नो, दोनों में यस आएगा तो ही फाइनल यस, दोनों में डिविजिबल बाय होगा तो ही फाइनल में डिविजिबल बाय, अगर अदरवाइज नो. अंडरस्टूड व्हाई नो इज रिटन हियर, व्हाई इट्स नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6? आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will get in both, divisible by 2 also and 3 also, in both you will get yes कि हाँ it's divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then it's divisible by 6, तो ही वो divisible by 6 है अगर दोनों से divide होता हो, otherwise not divisible by 6. Understood this? के ऊपर से गया? Any doubts? Ask fast, 3 minutes are only left. It's 10, 12. Fast, fast. Doubts?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ से?
Ma'am, in exam we can use a rough paper.
Yes, you can use, or you can show the calculation in that paper only. जहाँ पे सम कर रहे हो उसके बाजू में कैलकुलेशन दिखा सकते हो. Even it will be good. तो मुझे ऐसा लगेगा हाँ कि you have done calculation and you have written the answer, not using the calculator.
हम पीछे भी लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ, you can write in the supplementary so that I can know कि हाँ you have not used the calculator but you have done the calculation.
I am
Any
sending
other?
you photo divisible by 5 and 6.
Okay. And any other doubts? Any other girl?
No, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
then
in
homework
second,
just
in
हाँ, do the practice of this both, 5 and 6. ये वाला 5 और ये 6
okay, ma'am.
दोनों, because this two
Ma'am,
divisible by 5 and 6 both I have explained. So okay,
I have done this.
and this then you can do in the rough book for the practice. Okay, because this much only, see the 2 columns.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
this
I
much
have
for the
done
practice.
in
This
textbook.
9 and 2 we will do next time.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 6 is only divisible by even number.
In that, what was the condition for divisibility? You have seen, not divisibility rule for 6. Okay, it should be divisible by 2 also and divisible by 3 also. 2 से भी divide होना चाहिए, 3 से भी. और 2 से कब होता है? When it's even number. And 3 से कब होता है? When the total is divisible by 3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So just maintain the fair book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And ask your doubt next time, and please solve that practice worksheet also of FB and MCQ.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye
Okay, ma'am.
everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Wonderful day.
Now it's conversation lecture. Who will take